Here, as we head to the rally, we have made significant changes. You have a new CEO for the rally in Charles Gasheru here. You have a new lean and efficient project oversight team. You have a lean secretariat, and they have a clear script on how to run this project. Put in place good measures for safety, for security, for crowd control, for traffic flow, to just make sure that the people of Kenya and all rally enthusiasts from around the world have an incredible experience in Naivasha. So all of us, twende Naivasha, Easter na rally.
We are interested in the power of Toyota. Our partnership must be based on the global might that Toyota brings to the WRC, to Kenya, to other athletes in the motorsport industry, same as Ferdinand. That is what we're interested in this partnership. How do we get together to have synergy between the brands?